Welcome to Recraft Fundamentals. Today we'll show you how to turn any image into a clean, fully editable vector inside Recraft Studio. Start by uploading your image to the canvas. It can be a logo, an illustration, or even a simple graphic. Once it's on the canvas, select the image and click Vectorize in the action panel on the right. Recraft will instantly convert it into vector shapes. So now, instead of a flat image, you're working with real vector paths. On the right panel, click Adjust Colors to see all the colors used in the image. From here, you can select any color and change it instantly, which is especially useful if you're trying to match a specific brand palette. You can also reduce the number of colors to simplify the design, or apply colors from pre-built palettes for a quicker starting point. If you want more control, you can switch to spectrum mode. This lets you adjust entire color ranges while keeping the overall image visually balanced. There's also another way to create vector artwork inside Recraft Studio. Go to the prompt field and choose Recraft V4 Vector or Recraft V4 Pro Vector. Then select the aspect ratio you need, choose the number of generations, and enter your prompt. Click Generate, and Recraft will create a ready-made vector image that you can also edit and recolor however you like. Once you're happy with the result, click Export and download it in the format that fits your workflow, whether that's SVG, PDF, or anything else you need. And if this was helpful, like the video and subscribe for our YouTube channel.